female stars, both Arab and Hollywood celebrities, who preferred teeth whitening over veneers, like Yasmin Abdelaziz and Megan Fox. Though Megan might have had some work done on her teeth recently, and many other Hollywood stars. Teeth whitening has advanced significantly in recent times, especially with the use of laser technology. I want to share that the secret to maintaining the whitening results lies in two things: using miswak and follow up with at home whitening treatments. People used to say that the teeth whitening didn't last very long, which was natural given that we would consume foods that stain the teeth after the sessions. However, there are products we will discuss here that have proven effective for whitening, such as Zeus from Kavix, Scotch Dental, and another company called Shiny. Teeth whitening can be performed using blue or violet light, or even a laser device. I'd like to clarify that there is often a misunderstanding regarding the difference between laser whitening and light-based whitening. A different wavelength yields a different results. Certain elements known as chromophore have been added to teeth whitening agent. These are specifically designed to absorb light and produce superior results. Additionally, there is a technique called photodynamic therapy that removes discoloration and stains of the teeth. Every chromophore added to teeth whitening product requires a specific wavelength of light to achieve excellent result. You see what I mean? Another thing, how to maintain the results of the teeth bleaching or teeth whitening for a long time. Do you know that the miswak is the answer? Miswak contains a natural whitening. It's a natural teeth paste and teeth whitening, a natural brush and teeth paste, all in one. It preserves the whitening effect of the teeth for a long time. If it's usual practicing miswak after a meal every day, you will see and checked with the fine results with the miswak. Miswak can remove stains from the teeth. It can get rid of any bad odor of the teeth, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, good for the gum intact and for the teeth whitening. Another thing that I recommended after you finish the dental clinic teeth whitening is to preserve the whitening effect at home by a natural whitening home kit. It's very good to maintain the efficiency of the results of teeth whitening. Now I'm going to tell you about the best product you can use in the clinic products that I personally tried. This really delivered results for in-office teeth whitening, and if we follow up with at-home products, the results become even better. Scotch Bleaching In. This is a very good product for teeth bleaching. Also Cavex White and White. Very good product in office bleaching. And my personal favorite product is Shiny. Shiny is good, economic, can use for all patients, no sensitivity at all, and it's affordable, based in Egypt. How light activated gels work. First of all, the chromophore anodize. Pure hydrogen peroxide is clear and poorly absorbs visible light. So manufacturer add specific pigments or photosensitizing chromophore to absorb certain light wavelengths, target stains, and manage heat. Number two, the wavelength matching. These add molecules are turned to specific light output, commonly violet, lead, and blue light. Number three, energy transfer. When the chromophore absorbs the matching light wavelengths, it's excited to a higher energy state. This helps generate reactive oxygen species or provide thermal enhancement to speed up the breakdown of the peroxide.